Coming out of the conference room after the board meeting, I will never give you an impression that I had a different view. But inside the board meeting, it can become very hot. You must have that capability, that confidence, and that art of disagreeing with your boss in terms of going ahead long term. So perhaps with this, one last thing which I have in mind is, you people, when you are going out, most of the time you will be competing with each other, or you will be competing with the next one who is going to work with you, right? If there are 5 of you in sales, then you will be competing with each other. Tell me frankly, yes or no? My concept has not been at all competing with others. There's one simple thing which I have experienced last at least 15-16 years with some maturity. I am telling you today so that you can do it all the time. Compete with yourself. If you have to blame yourself. I don't blame my wife, my kids, my boss, my company, my friends. Never. Last 15-16 years. Never ever. Whatever she gives me lunch, I just eat it. Whatever happens, I will take the kind of call on myself. That something went wrong, then I'll have to see how exactly we have to plan it out. It is difficult, but that's the only truth in life. If you compete with yourself, you are going to do well. I can give you in writing today itself. If you compete with yourself, blaming weather, blaming government, blaming BJP government, blaming this government, blaming company, blaming top management, blaming weather, blaming corruption, rubbish. So I don't throw anything outside my car. It all goes in front of me. I kept all that dirt and then I take it and put it in my dustbin in the home. I don't criticize that people throw it on the road and government is stupid, Delhi government is stupid. I make my small contribution in a small way. When I drive myself, then I drive it the way they drive in Japan and UK. And I don't complain why he's not driving it, why she's not driving it. That's not my business. My business is that I have to take control of myself. In business also I'll take control of myself. I'm not guided by Japan, Suzuki headquarters. I don't care Suzuki headquarters. What happens, I will take care of my decision. That is one request. If you learn to imbibe early, I imbibe it later. If you learn to imbibe early, that will be better. Because before you are a leader, success is all about growing yourself. Today you are in that stage. And when you become a leader, success is all about growing others. Yes, I am in that stage. First part of this one, to a great extent, when we talk of, is also coming from Jack Welch, a guy I worked with in New Holland in London. This guy was at that point of time the CEO and chairman of GE worldwide, General Electric. Very tough character, but very high focus on people capabilities and developing people of GE. Personally used to spend a lot of time developing his people, young people. And Jack said that perhaps when you are not a leader, then the total focus success is that how you can become a leader. But when you become a leader, it is more about growing others. So first part applicable on you, second part applicable on me. Therefore I came all the way from Gurgaon to this place. And I am sure that you people will do well. And when you do well, definitely you will be reaching good heights. When you will be reaching good career heights, you will be looking to buy cars, isn't it? Then please buy only Maruti cars at that point of time. That's my request. Hope you remember that. So any questions, anything you may like to ask? Maybe I have another 5-10 minutes, 15 minutes. And you need guts to ask questions, isn't it? Please, please. If somebody can give him a mic, I think it will be helpful.
Sir, I'm Akshay Batra and I want to ask you, what's the LCV project of Maruti?
We are so far, last 31 years, we have been looking at only making cars. Now we are looking at introducing within the city operating kind of very, very small models of light commercial vehicles, which are basically pickup trucks. Because if you will be aware that in the municipal limits of Delhi, early morning and late night only the trucks can operate. Otherwise they are not allowed. Then how do the material come in? The material will come in smaller trucks. So we are thinking of experimenting with this new product profile for diversification and maybe de-risking our business to the extent possible.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I'm Jayant. I want to ask why your Kazashi car don't up to the mark like sales like Swift Desires.
We have not made Kazashi in Maruti here. Kazashi was an imported CBU kit based kind of thing. Full car was imported from Japan and brought into India. So the kind of import duties which were there, the pricing of Kazashi was somewhere around 18 lakhs. Whereas the Indian customer thought that that car will be more acceptable at 13-14 lakhs. So the idea is that we will be now in future looking at bringing Kazashi and making in Gurgaon and Manesar. Then with localization the cost can be 12-13 lakhs.
Sir, Kazashi is not of Maruti.
It is our parent company Suzuki car. Okay. It is made in Japan and we just import it here.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir. My name is Richa Grover, an MBA student, first semester. My question for you is, if you could write a message for young generation and put it in a time capsule to read them after 20 years from now, what would be that message?
Well done. I am quite confident you will do better than me. That's what I am saying right now. After 20 years you can read it.
Thank you, sir.
Or if you want, I can write Richa after 20 years. Well done, Richa. In this turbulent world, these kinds of forecasts will mean nothing really. To a great extent, when we are looking at medium to long term, it is ranging between 3 to 7 years is where we do the business forecast. And business forecast, Richa, should be something which should be plus minus 5-7%. If beyond that there is a difference, then we are going to get drowned. It will be a disaster. And in terms of business forecast, you will have to look at global trends, global cues, perhaps use to a great extent the analytics capability. When we look at the IT tools and IT technology, big data analysis, somewhere that can give us a capability to forecast the future. What I said, envision the future into the present. But in terms of maybe the way we are seeing the capability of the Indian talent, I still personally feel very confident that compared to Europe, US, we have to more perhaps prepare for countries like China and Korea, Japan. They are becoming equally competitive. But when I look at US and Europe, I don't see much competition there 20 years down the line. Because they are going kind of overconfident and less interested in work. And when I was working in Europe, and at that point of time, Friday 3 o'clock, my colleagues will say, because my sister was based out of UK, so they will say, why don't you push off 3 o'clock? I said, well, it's just 3 o'clock Fridays, because we are habitual of working 6 days a week. Why don't you push off? Because there will be a lot of traffic, you must enjoy your weekend. वीकेंड शुरू हो जाता है फ्राइडे मॉर्निंग से. कई लोग तो थर्सडे से वीकेंड सेलिब्रेट करना स्टार्ट कर देंगे. वीकेंड आ रहा है. इंडिया वी वर्क वेरी हार्ड 6 days a week, but Japan, Korea, China, they work double the hard work what we do here. You have to look at some such competition coming in from those quarters 20 years from now.
I have a request if you can tell the students that how do they filter down to an area or a sector, and apart like reading economy times and attending conferences or symposia related to that sector, what additional can they do so that they get an edge over us?
Yeah, Raman, I think all of you, I will only request one thing is that if you have the capability to look within, which everybody has that capability, You are sitting here in this institute, you come here every day, you know what is happening, and you go back home. Within home, you know everything what is happening. Capability to look within, everybody has. Agreed? Capability to look around, how many of you have? You have seen my questions and you did not answer those questions at all because you don't know anything about what is happening around. Around is what Raman was referring. How much interested you are in reading Economic Times or Financial Express or going to ET Now and following what is happening or reading Times of India and Hindustan Times and Hindu. I read 6 or 7 newspapers every day. And I got into this because Mr. Jagdish Khattar was the IAS and the CEO and managing director of Maruti at that point of time when I had joined. How many of you have heard the name of Mr. Jagdish Khattar? An IAS guy. So 6:30 he will call. Mr. Siddiqui, did you see this article? I haven't even brushed properly. Forget about seeing the article at 6:30 in the morning. Mr. Khattar will get up at 5 o'clock, have a walk and then get to the newspaper the moment this guy comes, start studying and then start calling. Very interesting, Mr. Siddiqui, you read this. So obviously I also got curious that before he calls I will be ready. My competition was something not actually reading newspaper, but I thought I will be beating Mr. Khattar if he asked me a question. In the process I started learning and it became very interesting for me. Around, looking within, looking around. This is where the leadership capability I am talking. And beyond, how much you can look beyond. अगर आप अराउंड ही नहीं देख पा रहे तो बियॉन्ड क्या देखोगे आप? Then making efforts, getting into industry conferences, trying to know things which you are not supposed to know right now. Make that stretch. Make that effort to make your 40-year career, उसके investment के लिए कुछ तो effort कीजिए. And when I was talking to you about this cricket, madness which I had when I was 8-9 years old, I was playing a small children's match somewhere in Kanpur, and nearby there was this practice going on for Agriculture University of Kanpur. Big guys, normal guys, and I was playing the way I was playing. They were observing some distance from there, and then after this practice, they called me and they said, "Would you like to face in the nets?" Some of the big ballers. I said yes. So I played them next 45 minutes without. At that time there was no helmet, anything. Even pads were very poor, very poor. And I played them. And then they said that next Sunday is a friendly match, club match. Will you play from our side? I said yes, I will come. But how can I tell my parents that I am going to play with the big guys? My parents would have killed me. They will never believe that I can play at that point. So I told my parents we are going normal for our Sunday children's match or whatever. I didn't go to children's match. I played there. That's how I went so fast up in cricket. Fearless. Where I was exploring stretches. अगर आप अपने ही बीच में ही बैठे रहेंगे यहाँ पे कुछ आगे लाइफ में करना ही नहीं चाहेंगे तो आपका ही लॉस है. Somewhere you need to be very, very stretchy and very, very messy about it that I must earn. Somewhere a small kid in US was using the Coca-Cola craze to reach to a public telephone call, put into a small store owner. So he made that call somehow, put the money. Other side lady called. He says, "Ma'am, my name is so and so and I am offering you that twice a week I can wash your cars. I am looking for a job." That lady said, "No, I have got a young boy working for me and he is doing a great job." And he says, "Ma'am, when I will wash your cars, they will be just shining bright, perfect, including the tires." But the lady said, "Yeah, but my little friend, that guy is doing a great job, so there is no problem on that." He says, "Look, I'm sure they must be charging, $30 a week or some such thing. I'll charge $20 a week, much cheaper." And still the lady said, "No, thank you very much, but I'm quite happy with the guy." So he just put the phone back, "Thank you very much," and then he came out. And the owner was listening all this very carefully. So he thought that the young kid is, disappointed didn't get the job. He says, "Kid, what happened? Maybe better luck next time." He says, "No, don't worry. I only work for that lady. I was just checking my feedback." That is the stretch. That is the test. To a great extent, that is the reality.
Could
Good evening, sir. My name is Shifali Shaukin, MBA first year. My question is to you: if a young person came to you asking what's the most important thing for living a good life, what would you say?
Money. If you are going to ask that question, then usually I will be answering that question also. And somewhere in this discussion with Mr. Bhargava, when I was about to come into Maruti, their salary structure was very poor, and I was coming from a European multinational from Fiat, and obviously there was a gap. They were not able to offer. They shared with me with embarrassment that, look, Mr. Siddiqui, you'll have to come and correct this salary structure and all that. But in the meanwhile, maybe we'll be requesting that you kindly join with whatever offer we are making. So during the interview, somewhere with the board, I told him that salary and all these things are secondary for me. So let us discuss the role and all that. Then Mr. Bhargava reminded me. He says that you also said in the board interview that salary and this thing is secondary. I said, Mr. Bhargava, that I said for sure, and I respect that. But end of the day, it's a bread and butter question for me also. That's what I earn. I'm not here for the kind of paropakar dhanda, coming to Maruti and serving the society. That is not a purpose. So money is important. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir. My name is Megha Jain, doing MBA first semester. My question to you is, sir, you are quite well traveled. So what are the qualities that you've seen in the youngsters of other countries that you would like us to inculcate as well?
I am telling you earlier also that perhaps this competitive spirit which I see more in China, Korea and Japan, unlike US and Europe. But multitasking is something which I think we should learn, Indians should learn to a great extent from the global population. Capability to think, when I was giving you this little idea of think, there must be a way. Perhaps their applied knowledge is much sharper than us. The way we are taught, our maybe theoretical knowledge is very strong. So this is the kind of difference which I can see. But typically when we look at Japan, capability for them to look at planning perspective, very disciplined perspective is something I think I admire in that population. We can certainly learn. So typically when I talk of that discipline, and if Professor Mahendra Singh has given us this thing that in the morning everybody will come and have a 2-minute kind of meditation in their respective classes. Believe me, in Japan you don't have to supervise. Hundreds and thousands of students will come, and if you have given this instruction to them that for 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 5 minutes, so in Maruti also first 5 minutes when we come to our office we do a simple exercise, me as well as all my juniors and everybody, and I don't care about who's doing, who's not doing. That's the responsibility, that's the discipline I'm talking about. And there's also a very funny thing about this discipline is that, which happened initially, although I worked with Toyota also for 10 years, that in my house many years back, the moment I leave the room or the toilet or whichever, I'll switch off the light. This is what we do in Maruti. And we save hundreds and crores of electricity for Maruti. And there's a simple thing for the house also. Fan, why it is running if nobody is there? Why TV is running if nobody is listening to that TV? Off. And my wife will say, यार क्या कर रहे हो आप? जिधर ही जा रहे हो उधर बत्ती बंद करते यार. अरे मैंने यार जिधर आपको नीड नहीं है उधर क्यों आप लाइट उसको unnecessarily, why you are wasting electricity? And she couldn't understand. From the typical Indian perspective, she thought कि सब तक बत्ती इतनी जल्दी जलने दोगे. Now today she understands, and that incremental part, if I give you one example, is may save 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 1 unit, 2 unit, but over a period of time it becomes accumulated. In Maruti's case, we gave a campaign that everybody in the shop floor, technical side, supply side, engineering side will like to look at working 5,000 components in a car, one component, 1 gram weight reduction and saving of 1 rupee. One component, 5, 10, 20, 30 grams, no. 1 gram to save 1 rupee, 5,000 components, 12 lakh cars per year. How much is the saving? Huge. So every year we save roughly about 450 crores on these kinds of small initiatives. 450 crores, which is bigger than the profit of many companies. So I wish you all the very best because I am a little short on time and will take your leave. I enjoyed talking to you, but I sincerely hope that you practice some of these things in your career and you do well. My very best wishes to you all.